Let me say something dangerous. If your life doesn't change in the next 7 days, it probably won't change for the next 7 years. Not because you're lazy. Not because you're unlucky. But because most people never choose a deadline powerful enough to wake them up. This is that deadline. Stay with me, because what I'm about to share is uncomfortable. But it works. Let me tell you a short story. There was a phase in my life where every day looked the same. Same scrolling. Same excuses. Same, I'll start tomorrow. I wasn't failing loudly. I was slowly fading. One night, I asked myself a brutal question. If my life stayed exactly like this for the next 5 years, would I be okay with it? The answer scared me. So I made a rule, not a goal, not motivation, a rule. 7 days. Do or die. No emotions. Only action. Here's how that week works. Day 1. Cut the noise. Day 1 is not about doing more. It's about removing. For 24 hours. No useless scrolling. No negative people. No overthinking. You don't need motivation. You need silence. Because clarity doesn't come from motivation. It comes when noise finally shuts up. Ask yourself only one question that night. What is the one thing ruining most of my life right now? Write it down. Don't judge it. Day 2. Pick one war. Most people fail because they fight 10 battles at once. On day 2, you choose one problem only. Money. Health. Discipline. Confidence. Skill. Just one. Tell yourself. For the next 7 days, this is my responsibility. Not forever. Just 7 days. Your brain can handle 7 days. Day 3. Do the boring work. This is where most people quit. Because change isn't cinematic. It's boring. Wake up. Do one uncomfortable thing related to your goal. Even for 20 minutes. No motivation. No mood. Just action. This day teaches your brain something powerful. I don't need to feel ready to move. That single belief changes everything. Day 4. Build a simple system. Motivation dies fast. Systems survive. So ask. What is the smallest daily action I can repeat even on bad days? Not perfect. Not impressive. Repeatable. Your life doesn't change from big decisions. It changes from small systems done daily. Day 5. Fix your self-talk. Listen carefully. You don't fail because of lack of discipline. You fail because of the way you talk to yourself. Every time you say, I'm lazy. I'm not smart. I always fail. Your brain believes it. On day 5, replace judgment with instruction. Instead of, I'm bad at this, say, I'm learning how to do this. That shift sounds small, but it rewires your identity. Day 6, prove it to yourself. Now do something slightly harder than yesterday. Not to impress anyone. Not to post online. Just to prove one thing to yourself. I keep promises to myself. Confidence doesn't come from success. It comes from self-trust. And self-trust is built through kept promises. Day 7, reflect and lock it in. On the final day, don't rush forward. Sit quietly and ask, what changed this week? What felt lighter? What am I proud of? You'll realize something powerful. Your life didn't magically change. But you did. And that's always where change begins. Here's the truth no one tells you. You don't fix your life in 1 day. But you can change its direction in 7. You don't need motivation. You need a decision. A quiet one. A serious one. A personal one. If this video made you pause and think, like it helps this message reach people who need it. Share it with someone who feels stuck but won't say it out loud. And subscribe, because this channel is for people who want to rebuild quietly and rise loudly. Your 7 days can start today.